Hello children. In last video and last class I already started the topic operator and explained. Few topics still remaining, so today I am going to finish that particular topic related operator. So here when we discuss about operator, these things I already explained. Number one is arithmetic operator, that is a binary operator I told you, plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. Here will be two operand, a plus b, x plus y, a minus b, 10 modulus 2, like that way. Number second thing I explained, unary operator, that is plus plus, minus minus, there will be only one operand. So these two things I already explained in the last video as well as in last class. Here today I am explaining rest things, that is relational operator, logical operator, conditional operator, assignment operator and shorthand operator. Here I am going to start with at first number 5, that is assignment operator. Assignment means what? It will assign the value. Assignment operator means what? It will assign the value. Where? In a variable. That's all. For example, if you write here integer n is equal to 10. So this equal to is your assignment operator. If you write here another example, suppose we'll write here double s is equal to 14.170. This equal to is your assignment operator. If you write here char ch is equal to a, so this equal to is work like assign the value, just in a mathematical term, assign the value. So this is your assignment operator, which will denote with equal to symbol. Now number 2, we will discuss number 2, that is your relational operator. Relational operator means what? It will check condition. It will check condition. Condition means it will check condition in two operand, in two variable, maybe variable, maybe operand. Whenever we will discuss about relational operator, the return type of relational operator, return type will be what? Boolean. Boolean means what? Boolean means what? Boolean means it will return या तो true or false. It will return two values, maybe true, maybe false. That depend on a condition. There are 6 types of relational operator. There are 6 types of relational operator. These are operator greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, is equal to and not equal to. These operators are known as relational operator. It relate to value. It will check the condition. How it will check the condition? I will give you example. So children, suppose here is a 10 is greater than 20. Now this is the condition. 10 is greater than 20. Just like a mathematical way. This condition is what? False. Your answer will be what? Here will be false. If you write here system.out.println, already discussed in previous video that how to print in a same line, or if you want to change the line, print and println. So here is a 40 is not equal to 100. 40 is not equal to 100. Yes, this is true. Your answer will be what? True. If you write here system.out.println 20 is greater than 100. 20 is greater than 100. No, this is false. If you write here 4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to 4. Yes, this is true. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be here true. if you write here 8 is greater than 8, 8 is greater than 8, no, this is false. So false and true will be small letter. But when you write 8 is greater than equal to 8, that means 8 is greater than or equal to. Greater होगा या equal to होगा. It's not greater, but it's equal to. Your answer will be true. If you write here 4 greater than equal to 3. Yes, this is not equal to, but it's a greater than. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be true. These are the example of relational operator. Copy. If you want to write the definition, kindly refer the book. For definition, you can refer the book. Now we'll explain shorthand notation. Shorthand notation means what? These are known as shorthand notation. These are known as shorthand notation. So, what is the meaning of this one? This means what? When you write here a plus equal to 10. In computer, when you write a plus equal to 10 using shorthand notation, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? इसका मतलब हो गया a is equal to a plus 10. That's all. If there is a statement x is equal to x into 40, so you can write x multiply equal to 40. This is the way to use shorthand notation. I will give you a few examples here. Suppose here is a int a is equal to 4. If you print here system dot out dot println a, definitely your answer will be 4. And if you write here system dot out dot println a plus equal to 10. So in computer's memory, how it will work? It will work a is equal to a plus 10. What is the value of a? The value of a is 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. So here your answer will be 14. The value of a will be what? 14. And in this line, if you write the value of a again, now you tell me whether it will print 4 or 14. Use your dimag. Whether the value of a will be 4 or 14. Children, now the value of a will be what? 14. It will display 14. Am I clear? समझ में आ रहा है all of you? Now here is one more example. Integer x equal to 10. System dot out dot println x multiply equal to 20. What is the meaning of that one? X is equal to x into 20. तो तुम्हारा आउटपुट कितना आ जाएगा? Your output will be 200. And if you print the value of x is equal to plus x. So this is your string that will display as a message. This will concate the value. It is कैसा काम करेगा? Concate करेगा. Now your answer will be what? Your answer will be value of x is equal to the value of x is what? 20. Last example. Suppose here is an integer num is equal to 2. और यहाँ क्या कर दिए? यहाँ लिख दिए num is equal to num minus equal to 100. And after that, if you write here system dot out dot println num, can you tell me what will be your output? Write the output there. One more work. This is for you. Integer a is equal to 8. System dot out dot print ln. This is a, and here is a divide is equal to 4, and the value of a will be what? Write the output here. So this is your shorthand notation. Now next operator is your logical operator. What is the next operator? Logical. Okay? In relational operator, just now I explained, there will be one condition. Relational में कितना condition होगा? एक. A greater than B. A is not equal to B. 4 is equal to 10. So there will be one condition. In logical operator, it will check one or more than one condition. Logical में क्या check करेगा? It will check one or more than one condition. The return type of logical operator, will be Boolean, just like a relational operator. So what is the difference between relational and logical? So relational में there will be one condition, but here there may be one or more than one condition. And what is the similarity between relational and logical? Both will return Boolean value. मतलब क्या रिटर्न करेगा? या तो ट्रू रिटर्न करेगा या तो फॉल्स. All right, children. Now there are three types of logical operators. ये देखो, this is logical and this is logical or, and this is logical not. This is 2 ampersand. और ये सिंबल कहां से आएगा? When you press shift के साथ backslash, you will get this symbol. Logical or. Now come to the point. Logical and. It will check two or more than two conditions, not one condition. In logical and it will check two or more than one condition. अगर दोनों condition will be true, then your answer will be true. Otherwise सारे केस में क्या आएगा? False. Once again, in logical and it will check two or more than two condition. If both the conditions are true, then only it will return true. बाकी सब cases में it will return false. So when we discuss about two condition, so this is condition 1 and this is condition 2. मान के चलते हैं. तो टू कंडीशन मीन्स ऐसा हो सकता है कि पहला कंडीशन इज फॉल्स, दूसरा कंडीशन विल बी फॉल्स. हो सकता है पहला कंडीशन फॉल्स बट दूसरा कंडीशन इज ट्रू. मे बी फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज ट्रू बट दूसरा कंडीशन विल फॉल्स. एंड अनदर केसेस इज व्हाट? प्रोबेबिलिटी इज व्हाट? बोथ द केसेस विल बी, बोथ द कंडीशन विल बी ट्रू. नाउ इन लॉजिकल एंड हम लोग क्या यूज कर रहे हैं? वी विल यूज लॉजिकल एंड. If both the conditions are true, then only it will print true. बाकी के cases में what it will print? It will print false. I mean children, if first condition is false, it will not check another condition. Directly क्या बता देगा? False बता देगा. It will not waste our time. Computer will not check another condition if first condition is false. Directly answer क्या हो जाएगा? False. But if first condition is true, then it will check another condition. If this condition is false, then it will return false. और अगर ये true है, then it will return true. For example, suppose here is a 10 greater than equal to 5 and 8 is not equal to 10. Now listen, 10 greater than equal to 5. This condition is true or false? This is true. And 8 is not equal to 10. Yes, this is true. And what we are using? You are using logical AND. Your answer will be what? Your answer will be. Once again, one more example. This is system.out.println. Okay? Here is a 8 greater than equal to 40 and 7 is equal to 7. Now children, use this one. First condition. Just say first condition. This condition is true or false? So this condition is false. When this condition is false, it will not check another one. तुम्हारा answer क्या आ जाएगा? Directly it will return. Are you getting my point? If you write here system.out.println, okay? Here is a 5 is equal to 5 and 8 greater than 8. Now check first condition. The first condition is true. Then it will check another condition. Second condition is what? False. So finally your answer will be what? We will get here what? So this is your logical AND operator. Kindly copy all the things on your copy, note copy. Now second one is logical OR. This is what? This is logical OR. This is just a vice versa of logical AND. Logical OR में if any one condition is true, your answer will be true. तो false किस केस में होगा? When both the condition will be false, then only it will return false. So this is condition 1, this is condition 1. Maybe this is false, this is false, this is false, this is true. Maybe this is true, this probability will be false, this is true, this is true. So children, if both the conditions are false, your answer will be what? False. In rest cases, your answer will be true. True means what? अगर logical OR, if you are going to use logical OR and पहला condition true है, it will not check another condition. Direct वर्ड क्या बता देगा? True. अगर पहला is false, then only it will check another one. For example, system.out.println. Here is a 4 greater than equal to 10 or 8 is equal to 8. Now first condition is what? False. It will check another one. Second condition is true. Your answer will be what? True. लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा? यहाँ लिखा रहेगा 10 is equal to 10 or 5 greater than 5. Now first condition is true. First condition is true. It will not check another one. Your answer will be true. किस केस में दूसरा को चेक करेगा? अगर पहला कंडीशन फॉल्स होगा तो. और लॉजिकल एंड में क्या करता है? अगर फर्स्ट कंडीशन ट्रू होता है तो दूसरा को भी चेक करेगा, और फॉल्स होने पे दूसरा को चेक ही नहीं करेगा, डायरेक्ट फॉल्स बता देगा. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन लॉजिकल और एंड लॉजिकल एंड. नाउ थर्ड नंबर is logical NOT. This is the last operator children. This is logical NOT. मान के चलो, if you write here system.out.println and here is 4 greater than 2, your answer will be what? You know very well. Your answer will be what? True. Same thing. When you write here system.out.println 4 greater than t2 using this bracket, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? 4 is not greater than 2. 4 is not greater than 2. तो तुम लोग इसमें देखना, दिस इज ट्रू और फॉल्स, दिस इज ट्रू. When you use logical not, your answer will be just opposite. Just opposite. मान के चलो, here is a 8 less than 2. This condition is false. 8 is less than 2. Yes, this condition is false. And this is 8 is not less than 2. Change हो जाएगा. Your answer will be what? So what I said, in logical operator it will check one or more than one condition. तो logical not में एक ही condition check, एक से ज़्यादा भी check करेगा, but एक ही condition check कर सकता है, एक भी condition. But in the case of logical or and not, logical or and logical and, it will check more than two conditions, two or more than two conditions. Now here is a system dot out dot println 4 greater than equal to 2 and 8 is equal to 10. ठीक है? And what I did, I used here logical not. ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा तो at first you remove this one and check this one. 4 greater than equal to 2, this is true, this is false. So your answer will be false. Logical not, it will reverse it. So finally your answer will be what? Am I clear, children? Just copy this one. Just copy this one. Just revise this one. Int a is equal to 10, and if you write here integer n is equal to a plus 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 a, और हम लोग जब प्रिंट करेंगे यहाँ पर system dot out dot println n is equal to plus n, and this is a is equal to plus a. What will be your answer, children? Just see. So here is a plus plus, मतलब value used, that will be what? 10. बाद में कितना? 11 plus 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 a means what? That will be 12. Here will be 12. तो यहाँ कितना हो गया? 22. The value of n will be 22, and what is the last value of a? That will be 12. That will be 12. Copy. Suppose x is equal to, here is a 4, and here integer y is equal to x minus minus plus minus minus x multiply plus plus x. So the value of y will be what? The value of system dot out dot println, this is y and this is x. So x minus minus means 4, बाद में what? 3 plus minus minus x 3 है तो this will be 2, this is the 2, multiply last value is 2 plus plus x, that will be 3. So last value of x will be what? 3. And what will be the value of y? So here it will multiply at first. Here it will multiply at first. मतलब 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. This is your answer will be 10. These things I already explained earlier. This is just for your revision purpose. Now if you write here 10 plus 20, this is a arithmetic operator, or you can say this is a binary operator. So your answer will be what? Your answer will be what? 30. Your answer will be what, children? Your answer will be 30. Now this is the last example. Integer a is equal to 10, comma b is equal to 20. These are two variables, integer type variable. A is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Children, if you write here system dot out dot println a plus b, it will work like a calculator. 10 plus 20, calculator में आंसर कितना आएगा? 30. Children, if you write here system.out.println, and if you write here sum is equal to plus a and plus b. This is very important. Here what it will do, it will print this plus will work like a concate. ये क्या करेगा? Concate करेगा, ये add नहीं करेगा, it will concate. Your answer will be what? Your answer will be sum is equal to a का value and b का value, that is 1 0 and 2 0. But if you write here system.out.println sum is equal to within bracket a plus b. What? A plus b. So a and b in this case जब bracket का use करेंगे it will print like a calculator. So your answer will be sum is equal to 30. Like that, if you print here 10 plus 20 plus sum is equal to 10 plus 20. This is system.out.println. In this case, what it will print? 10 plus 20. String के पहले है, it will add. After string, it will concate. तुम्हारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 1 0 2 0. Is it clear, children? After few days, again I will upload last video before what I will say during the summer vacation, not before. During the summer vacation, I will upload one more video. Kindly watch the video carefully because you children will get summer assignment as well as first term question. Everything will come related this video. So whenever I will get time after the summer vacation, I will take class, no issue, online class. But if I will miss any topic, that's why I will create a video and upload in ERP. Your work will be, you have to watch carefully. All right, take care.